Courage to love.
The Snoring Mole Band.
Deep underground, the snore band played unique tunes. More drummed with his style, Milo's snores became bass notes, and singer Pip turned sneezes into high notes. During concerts, Vaughn's wriggled to the beat while crickets clicked along. The score even marked snore cues. When Milo snored, Wall paused, then Mole's tail thumped in reply. One night, Milo's cold made his snores erratic. Mo drummed wildly, Pip forgot lyrics mid-true, and chaos erupted. The crowd cried, "Listen to your body's rhythm." Milo took a breath, marked the snore with his paws, then exhaled steadily. Crickets adjusted their clicks, and Pip's sneezes softened into bridges. The blender birthed a new symphony where snores anchored the beat. Even off rhythm, Mo realized, your true sound finds the music.